There's a lot happening in Cleveland, and that clip is just downtown. That was a sneak peek. Check out the full video at downtownclevelandalliance.com. It's you're changing Cleveland. And the possibility that you are changing Cleveland. Cities consistently evolve. Cleveland is poised in the near future to add a medical mart, a casino, expand to the east bank of the flats and the lakefront, and re-examine Public Square and the malls. Malls? No. We're not talking about Beechwood or Great Northern, but rather malls A, B, and C. Yes, the public spaces around Key Tower, City Hall, and the Cuyahoga County Courthouse. Think of it as starting from scratch and you being able to suggest some ingredients for tomorrow. Yes, you. It's about public space and connections. How do we make the most of the energy around these new development projects? People have been thinking about this for a long time. Probably crossed good old Moses Cleveland's mind when he was looking at the connection between Lake Erie and the Cuyahoga River. At the turn of the 20th century, Daniel Burnham, a world-renowned architect and planner, who also rocked an awesome mustache, looked at the downtown and helped to devise a plan that was mostly implemented and still impacts us today in the 2010s. It was a colossal imprint, but times have changed. This year, Mayor Frank G. Jackson assembled another group of people to revisit Burnham's plan and make suggestions. This group of group plan commissioners had the banks, libraries, foundation, and sports teams of this city. These leaders are now asking you, yes, you, to participate. Think of the best urban public park spaces you've ever seen or visited. What made those spaces memorable? What made them enjoyable? What made you want to write a postcard telling your friends at home that this rocks? Now think about Cleveland's malls. Malls A, B, and C together are the size of 3 football fields. If you had a wish for what you would want to see in Cleveland Central Park, what would you wish for? A skating rink? A quiet place to read? A play area for toddlers? A place to congregate? Public art? A skate park? A water feature? Whatever you think, suggest it. What are the most important characteristics of that space? Think of the mall as the central link, connecting the best parts of downtown Cleveland. What are the best parts that need to be connected to the mall? How can these connections be more clearly defined so that even tourists can understand them? How can they be stronger? It's You're Changing Cleveland. Visit www.yourchangingcleveland.com to find out where you can find a You're Changing Cleveland input station or give your suggestions online.